there, fellow adventurers! You know that feeling you get when you think about those picture-perfect Greek islands? The whitewashed houses, the sparkling Aegean Sea, those sunsets that look like they were painted by the gods themselves? Well, I'm right there with you. And when it comes to bucket list Greek island destinations, Santorini sits right at the top. It's a place where every corner looks like a postcard, and every meal comes with a side of breathtaking views. We're going to walk you through everything you need to know to plan your dream trip in 2025. From the best time to visit and must-see spots to insider tips that'll help you experience Santorini like a local, not a tourist. You in? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to Santorini. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. All right, let's talk timing. Because when it comes to Santorini, choosing the right season can make all the difference. Now you've got three main options, each with its own personality. First up, we've got peak season running from June through August. This is Santorini in full swing. Think vibrant nightlife, beaches buzzing with sunbathers, and sunshine that seems to last forever. But keep in mind, this popularity comes with a price tag. Expect higher costs for pretty much everything and a few more folks to share those incredible views with. Next, we've got the shoulder season, April, May, and then September and October. This is my personal sweet spot for Santorini. You'll find the weather still fantastic, perfect for exploring those charming villages without melting. Plus, the crowds are thinner, and you might just snag a better deal on your hotel. And then there's the off-season November through March. This is Santorini in its quiet, cozy clothes. Some shops and restaurants might be closed, but you'll have those iconic views practically to yourself. Now that we've got the when figured out, let's talk about the where. The heart-stopping sights you absolutely can't miss in Santorini. Get ready to fill that camera roll. First on the list, no surprise here, is Oya. You know those iconic photos of white houses clinging to cliffs overlooking a sea that seems to shimmer gold at sunset? That's Oya, my friends. My advice? Get there early to snag the best sunset watching spot. Trust me, it's worth it. Next, we're heading to Fira, the island's capital. This is Santorini's beating heart, lively, full of energy, and packed with great restaurants, shops just begging to be browsed, and bars with a view. Don't miss the cable car ride down to the old port. It's an experience in itself. Now, for a little beach time. Santorini's beaches are like nowhere else with their striking black sand. Kamari and Parissa are my top picks, perfect for soaking up the sun, taking a dip in the Aegean, or just enjoying a lazy afternoon with a good book. But Santorini isn't just about those picture-perfect villages and beaches. It's also steeped in history. Head to Akrotiri, an ancient Minoan city frozen in time by a volcanic eruption. And for something a little quieter, a little off the beaten path, hop over to Pyrgos. This traditional village will give you a taste of authentic Santorini life. All right, folks, we're talking about those experiences that'll stay with you long after your tan fades. First up, let's set sail. A sunset cruise is a must-do in Santorini. Whether you opt for a catamaran or a traditional Greek boat, there's something truly magical about watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the caldera in hues of orange and pink. It's the kind of moment that takes your breath away. Next, let's talk wine. Santorini's volcanic soil produces some of the most unique and delicious wines in the world. A visit to a local winery is a must. You can sample the crisp Assyrtiko, maybe even indulge in a wine tasting with a view. Now for those who like a little adventure, lace up those hiking boots. The hike from Fira to Oya is a Santorini classic. It'll take you about 3 to 4 hours, but trust me, those incredible views are worth every step. And of course, no trip to Santorini is complete without indulging in the island's incredible cuisine. Whether it's a romantic dinner in Imerovigli, savoring fresh seafood by the water, or enjoying a simple but delicious meal at a local taverna, Santorini's food scene is a feast for the senses. Now let's be real for a moment. Santorini can be a bit, shall we say, persuasive when it comes to your wallet. But don't worry, my friends, you don't have to empty your bank account to have an amazing time. Here's how to experience Santorini without breaking the bank. First up, consider staying in Firostefani or Kartarados. These villages are just a stone's throw from Fira. offering those stunning caldera views but with a friendlier price tag. It's like finding that hidden gem of a hotel that's both charming and easy on the wallet. Next, ditch the taxis and embrace the local bus system. It's super affordable, reliable, and will get you to all the major spots on the island. Plus, it's a great way to rub shoulders with the locals and soak up the everyday rhythm of Santorini life. And when it comes to food, don't be afraid to skip those fancy tourist traps. Instead, head to the local tavernas. These family-run places are where you'll find the heart and soul of Greek cuisine. All right, let's talk about where you'll rest your head after those long days of exploring. Santorini's got a place to stay for every style and budget. From luxurious cave hotels carved right into the cliffs to charming guest houses tucked away in those whitewashed alleys. If you're looking for that quintessential Santorini experience, those luxurious cave hotels perched on the cliffs of Oia are hard to beat. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of the caldera, sipping your morning coffee on your private balcony as the sun paints the sky in hues of pink and orange. It's the kind of luxury that dreams are made of. Perfect for honeymooners or anyone looking for a truly unforgettable splurge. Now, if you're after a quieter, more intimate vibe, Imerovigli is calling your name. Often called the balcony to the Aegean, this village offers those same stunning caldera views, but with a more laid-back atmosphere. You'll find charming boutique hotels and cozy guest houses, perfect for escaping the crowds and soaking up the tranquility of the island. And finally, for those who want to be right on the beach, soaking up the sun and enjoying those crystal clear waters, Parissa and Kamari are your go-to spots. So there you have it, friends, your ultimate guide to experiencing the magic of Santorini in 2025. From those iconic sunsets and charming villages to hidden tavernas and off-the-beaten-path adventures, Santorini is an island that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return. Now it's your turn. What are you waiting for? Start planning your dream trip to Santorini today. And don't forget to share your must-see spots and hidden gems in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your Santorini adventures. Remember, travel is more than just checking destinations off a list. It's about embracing new experiences, creating memories that will last a lifetime, and connecting with the heart and soul of a place. And Santorini, my friends, is ready to welcome you with open arms. Happy travels!